Well, the greatest and hardest, the love commandments. Love God completely. Love the Lord and God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. Matthew 22, verses 37. This requires total devotion, overcoming selfish desires and other idols. Love your neighbor is the next one. Love your neighbor as yourself. Matthew 22, verses 39. This extends to loving enemies, blessing persecutors, and forgiving those who harm you, which goes against your natural instincts. Other challenging New Testament commands: humility and, and other centeredness. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit, but in humility consider others better than yourselves. Philippians 2, verses 3. No complaining, something I really battle with. Do everything without grumbling and arguing. Philippians 2, verses 14. Generosity and humility in good deeds. Don't let your left hand know what your right hand is doing. Matthew 6, verses 3. Thanksgiving. Living in a constant spirit of thankfulness for everything is difficult in the face of daily hardships. And why they're hard? Well, our human nature. These commands often directly oppose self-centeredness, pride, and our natural reactions, requiring supernatural help, the Holy Spirit, to actually achieve them. The modern day life, with its focus on self promotion, social media, and political division, makes acts like humble service or honoring opposing leaders particularly difficult.